Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Amna. I'm Maya, your English learning friend.
And I'm Ethan. We're here to make your English learning easy, fun, and super practical.
Today's topic is something we all talk about every day, our daily routine.
Exactly. If you've ever wondered how to describe your morning, afternoon, and evening in English, this video is for you.
You know, Ethan, I asked one of my students, "What's your morning routine?" Ethan,
Oh, interesting. What did they say?
they said, "I wake up, brush my teeth, and go to bed."
Laughs. Wait, they wake up and go to bed right after? That's a short day.
Exactly. So today we'll fix mistakes like that and help you describe your day clearly and naturally, from sunrise to bedtime.
Okay, let's start with the morning, the beginning of your day.
Right. When you describe your morning routine, you usually use the present simple tense because it's something you do every day.
Exactly. Let's share our examples.
Sure, I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and make a cup of tea.
Nice. For me, I wake up around 7 a.m., I stretch, check my phone, and then take a quick shower.
You can also add time expressions to sound more natural. Like, in the morning, I always drink coffee. Before breakfast, I check my emails.
And don't forget frequency words. You can say, I always, I usually, I sometimes, I never.
For example, I always eat breakfast at home. I sometimes listen to music while getting ready. I never skip breakfast.
Actually, I sometimes skip breakfast.
Ethan, that's the most important meal of the day.
I know, but coffee counts as breakfast, right?
Hmm, nice try, but no.
Let's give a short sample conversation for our viewers.
Sure,
Hey, Maya, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 and go for a short walk. What about you?
I usually wake up at 7, then take a shower and have coffee.
Great. And what do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I go to work.
See? Simple, clear, and natural sentences. All right, now it's afternoon, the busy part of the day.
Yes. During the afternoon, most people study, work, or do chores.
You can say things like, I go to work at 9 a.m. I start my classes at 10. I have lunch at 1 p.m.
You can also add short details to sound more fluent. I have lunch with my friends. I study English during my break. I work on my computer all afternoon.
And remember to use connecting words like then, after that, and next.
Let's give an example. I finish my online classes at 2 p.m., then I have lunch. After that, I take a short nap.
That sounds so natural.
Let me describe my afternoon. I finish work at 5 p.m., then I go to the gym. After that, I sometimes meet friends for coffee.
I like that. You can also say things like, I come back home around 6:30 p.m. I take a shower and relax a bit before dinner.
So if you want to sound fluent, don't just list actions, connect them.
Yes, instead of saying, I eat lunch, I study, I go home.
Say, I eat lunch, then I study, and after that, I go home.
Much smoother and more natural. And now comes my favorite part. Evening.
Because you can finally relax, right?
Exactly. So here's how to describe your evening. I get home at 7 p.m. I take a shower, have dinner, and watch TV.
Or, I spend time with my family. I read a book or listen to music before bed.
And to finish your day, say, I go to bed at 11 p.m. I fall asleep around midnight.
Okay, Maya, quick question. What's your evening routine like?
Hmm. I get home around 6:30, take a shower, cook dinner, and watch something relaxing, usually a drama or a cooking show.
That sounds peaceful. For me, I get home, play some games, then read a bit before bed.
Oh, that's nice. But what time do you sleep?
Around 1 a.m.,
1 a.m.? No wonder you're always sleepy in the morning.
it's part of my unique routine.
So, how can our viewers make their routine sound more fluent and interesting?
Good question. Let's share some easy tips. Tip 1. Use linking words. Then, after that, next, finally.
Example, I wake up at 7, then I have breakfast. After that, I go to work. Tip 2. Add frequency words, always, usually, sometimes, never.
Example. I usually take a walk in the evening. I never drink coffee at night. Tip 3. Use time phrases. In the morning, in the afternoon, before bed.
Example. In the evening, I read books before bed.
Tip 4. Add a few personal details. Don't just say, I eat breakfast. Say, I eat bread and eggs for breakfast, or I drink tea with my family.
Yes. The more detail, the more natural it sounds. Let's make everyone practice now.
Good idea. Everyone watching, repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
I go to work or school.
I have lunch with my friends.
I come home in the evening.
I have dinner and watch TV.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Awesome. You just practiced describing your daily routine.
Now, try to record yourself saying your own routine.
That's a great idea. Speaking out loud helps you remember faster and improve pronunciation.
Okay, let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned how to describe your morning, afternoon, and evening routines.
You also learned useful time and frequency words, like always, sometimes, and then.
And we practiced how to make your sentences sound natural by using connecting words.
Now, here's a quick challenge for you. Complete this sentence in the comments below. I, up at 6 a.m., then I, before breakfast. Let's see how many of you get it right.
That's all for today's fun English conversation.
We hope now you can describe your daily routine in clear, confident English.
If you enjoyed this video,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
and click the bell so you never miss a new lesson from Learn with Amna.
Keep practicing a little bit every day, because daily English practice is the key to fluency.
Thanks for learning with us. And remember, your English improves every time you speak.
Bye!